Hi everybody, welcome to the iZigg mobile training video series. Today we're going to be discussing contact source reports. So that means we really want to see how numbers and contacts are getting into our lists, how many contacts have opted in through the various keywords or online sign-up pages, maybe by filtering through dates within our iZigg dashboard. So let's go ahead and dive right in. From your iZigg mobile dashboard, let's go ahead and go directly to our contact database, and that's going to be under Manage and Contacts and Lists. And you, of course, have your lists right here, which are kind of the houses that your contacts live in. Underneath that, you're going to see certain summaries. So you'll be able to see anybody that has opted out or the number of contacts that have opted out. You're going to be able to see your keyword signups. If we expand that just a bit, you will see a list of your current active keywords and the number of signups that you have, as well as your online signups. Now, for those of you who have migrated from the old iZigg system, you're going to have a good many of imported contacts, and that's because we did have to import from the old system. However, from your go live date on the new system, you will begin to see the rise in count for each of your keywords from that go live date. So if you would like to see a little bit more detail, let's go ahead and select Show Details. And from here, we can then filter a little bit more. So under the data sets are something that some of you may have if you have different locations and you wanted to segment your partitions. So you have maybe a franchise and you have a location in California, a location in Florida, New York, and those need to work independently from each other for their lists, the keywords, and the inbox. So that's when you may have different data sets. And if you want to see the reports for those individual data sets, you would be able to select from that list. For our purposes, we are one account, so I'm just going to select the master account here. I can then filter my dates a little bit more. So let's say I wanted to see all the activity from March 1st until present. I can filter my date and then apply. Looking down at the list, I will be able to see keyword signups, my online signup pages, any import or manually added ones. So from here, we can dive down a little bit deeper. So select on the actual heading that you would like to see more of, whether it's keyword signups or online signup pages. And from here, we'll be able to see our list. So this is a list of all the contacts that have opted in during this date range from this particular contact source. So we can see their contact information, any data that we may or may not have with them, what lists that they currently reside in, and the actual action date. Now, your action date or your sign up date is going to be the first date that they opted in. So if they opted in on March 1st, that is going to be your opt-in date. If they opted in again 2 weeks later, you are not going to see that date. We are only tracking the actual date of the original sign up. So from here, you can filter your lists even more. So if you wanted to go ahead and change this date range for any reason and apply, your list would change. You can also export this list very easily. Once you export, it will download to your system and it will be a simple CSV file that you can open. So for more videos on reporting and other features, please visit our YouTube channel or look at the tutorials in your iZigg mobile platform. Thank you so much.